In this video, we will solve level 2.7 of MTM 2020. Level 2.7 is USS2. So grab the instructions here. It will open a new window. Here is the PDF, download it, then open it. This challenge has 9 steps. Let's start with step 1. We have to open the USS view. So go to Visual Code, go to Unix System, and then click on magnifying glass. Here give /z/ and then your user ID. Press enter. So if you get an error like this, what you can do is you can go to terminal, log in via SSH, and then give the command zpublic fixfiles.sh. Press enter, fixing files, fixing directories. Once it is complete, again give the magnifying glass, give z and then your user ID, press enter. And now I can see all the files in my USS directory. So these are my Unix system services files. So now we have completed step 2. Also we have completed step 3. It is just asking us to investigate the output. Then we have to find a script called USS2 script. So here is USS2 script. Click on it and here is the script. So in this step 6, what we have to do is we have to create a directory called USS2 output with 3 files, animal1, animal2 and animal3. I can give the command mkdir USS2 output main directory USS2 output. So let us create 3 files. Let's create touch animal1, touch animal2, touch animal3. Now let's close and expand again. And here I can see animal1. Let's give here cat, control save. Let's give in animal2, dog, control save. Then let's go to animal3, give tiger, control save. Then go to your terminal and give this command. So here is my terminal. I will go back to my home directory. And then I will give the command. So this command ran successfully. The next command is to make this file executable. chmod +x USS2 script.sh. Then let's again give here ls l USS2 script.sh. Previously it was showing me read write, then hyphen and then again r. Now it is showing me read write execute and r. And here also you can see execute and r. Here also I can see x. That means I can now execute this script. Earlier it was not executable. I can only read it and write it. But now I can execute as well. Now I can run this script by giving give here /USS2 script.sh. So it is asking us make sure to run this with your name as the first parameter. Now let us run our script again. Give here USS2 script.sh, then my name. Now it ran successfully. Checking for the file and folders, everything looks good. Files have been copied. script has run successfully. Check the message file in USS2 output. So this is USS2 output. Expand this and you can see 3 new files, animal123 has been created inside this directory. Let's check message. Now it is showing us if Abhishek, this is my name, looks out the window, they might say hello there cat, dog and tiger. These are the animals that we just entered in the files animal 1, 2 and 3. So our 9th step is also complete. Verify completion. If you want to see the same content in the terminal, what I can do is I can change to USS2 output and here I can give cat MESSAGE and you will see the content of this file is now displayed in the terminal itself. Now to complete this challenge, we have to submit the CHK job. So go to the datasets. Here I have to go to public.jcl. So submit CHK. Then go to the jobs section. Here go to MTM 2020. And here I can see CHK. Click on it. Here it will have system print. Check it. And you can see USS2 is also correct. It is now successfully completed. So go back to your web page, refresh this page, and you will see USS2 is completed. In the completed tab, you will see USS2. So this challenge is also complete. Go to available and complete level 2.8. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.